Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make kale crunch salad. Massage the kale with olive oil and salt until tender, then layer crunchy toppings and a bright dressing. I'll walk you through chopping, toasting nuts, making a simple lemon vinaigrette, and tossing everything to keep the kale crisp. Follow along at your own pace and taste as you go to adjust seasoning and crunch. Start by removing the thick stems and chopping the kale into bite-sized pieces. Rinse well and spin, or pat dry so dressing clings instead of sliding off. Massage with oil and a pinch of salt until the leaves soften and darken slightly, which signals readiness. This step transforms tough fibers into a tender base ready to hold crunchy toppings and flavorful dressing without losing snap. Toast nuts or seeds until golden to add warm, satisfying crunch to your salad. Whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and a little honey for a bright, balanced vinaigrette. Toss the vinaigrette with massaged kale first, then fold in toasted nuts and chopped vegetables so they stay crunchy. Taste and adjust acid or sweetness to suit your preference before serving immediately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.